Hi everyone, we are in fifth block, and this is my helper video for thinking about clean coding approach to writing your readability score. So here's the equation that calculates the readability score. So if we're doing clean code, well, so first I'm noticing there's a couple things in here that we don't know what they are yet, like how do you get total words? How do you get total syllables? But if we're programming by intention, I'm thinking let's make a method that will return each of these things that we don't know, and then we'll like postpone the implementation of those methods until later. All right, so let's go ahead and get into that. So here I am in my readability. I already am reading this test file and I'm splitting it into sentences. So I'm going to write my method as if it already exists. It's supposed to calculate a score that's a double. I was calling it Fleisch-Kincaid readability, like this. And we take sentences as an input. So now I'll let IntelliJ generate that method signature for me, and I like all that naming, that's fine. So now I'm going to go ahead and have a single return statement that is just that equation. So let's look up the equation again. Oops, that's my thing. All right, so what is it? All right, so it is 206.835 minus 1.015 times total words, and I want the total words in my sentences input, divided by total sentences. I don't need a method for. I can just say sentences dot size, because that is my total sentences. But I'm already thinking division. Uh-oh. Better not do integer division. Okay. All right, so far so good in the equation. All right, so over here, minus 84.6 times, and then the rest of the equation is total syllables over total words. So let's do total syllables for sentences divided by total words for sentences. Okay, so that is sort of coherent. I'm thinking maybe we can simplify this a little bit because I don't want to recalculate total words twice. So let's break that out. So one thing I could do is I could say total words here, just calculate it once at the very beginning, and then I would use that counter in my equation. I think that in order to calculate syllables, it might be more useful to actually get the list of words. So get all words from sentences. And that could be like an array list of string for words. So if I do that, then here I could say words dot size, because that's total words. And here I could also say words dot size. And let's make this double. And then for total syllables, I could say like total, well, let's just do that. So I'll calculate total syllables for that input of the words. That's not the only way to break it up. You could break it up differently than that, and that's fine. What's going wrong here? And now we figure out why my parentheses are mismatched. Okay, so that's that one, and then, okay, so they're all matched. I just haven't made these methods yet. So here's total syllables, which is going to return a, what, an int. And I'll just have it return 0 for the moment. And then here, get all words from, that makes sense. Okay, so now I have all my method stubs, and I can go and start implementing these individual methods. I hope that was helpful.